Hello and welcome, Victor here from Motorwatching Crewe. Today showing you around this Audi Q2 1.0 TFSI Sport finished in white. This vehicle is powered by 1-litre petrol engine producing 116 PS and paired with manual transmission, offering smooth and efficient drive, which is well suited for everyday or family use. At the front, the Q2 features Audi signature single frame grille, halogen headlights and contrast bumpers finished in Manhattan grey. This example sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, and at the rear design is finished with clean body lines, subtle silver diffuser style trim and power operated tailgate, adding both style and everyday convenience. The boot offers practical and well-shaped load area, ideal for shopping, luggage or day-to-day use. Split folding rear seats allow the space to be easily extended when carrying larger or bigger items. In the rear, passengers benefit from good headroom and legroom, comfortable seating and ISOFIX mounting points, making the Q2 suitable for small families or 3 adult passengers. Front, the cabin feels typically Audi with solid build quality and driver-focused layout. Front sport seats provide good support, while the aluminium interior elements and red anodized trim details add a sporty touch. The leather trim multifunction steering wheel places key controls within easy reach, while the driver information system behind it clearly displays essential driving data and vehicle information. You get manual air conditioning, which helps maintain comfortable cabin temperature, and the infotainment system in the form of Audi MMI offers Radio Plus with DB digital radio, as well as phone connectivity with Bluetooth and Audi smartphone interface. You also get SD card-based MMI Navigation system and Audi Drive Select, allowing you to adjust driving modes to suit your preference. You can also dive into vehicle settings for access to car menu settings and driver information, and the system also provides audible feedback from the rear sensors, which assist with maneuvering in tight spaces. This has been a presentation of the used Audi Q2 1.0 TFSI Sport. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.